So let's start with this hedge fund story. We're going to put up a full screen now of what some of these hedge funds did in the month of February. It was not pretty. Now, I have to say this is 1 month, so it's not a longer period of time. But you can see they're all down quite a bit. Those are all negative numbers there you're seeing. And I thought that when there was volatility, hedge funds might benefit because they're hedged.
You're right. All we've been hearing for the past year is we need volatility and our returns are depressed because things are, not moving. And so finally we got some volatility, but it was not the right kind of volatility, which you kind of have to laugh at a little bit. But the problem was that it was so spurty, where we would see sort of these unexpected big swings in the market, and people weren't necessarily positioned to take advantage of that. And it was hard to sort of maneuver and do that. But, the more that we hear sort of this laundry list of complaints and reasons why hedge funds aren't performing it, it sort of goes to Warren Buffett's point about, is there really a benefit to putting your money with these hedge fund managers and paying the high fees for that performance? He just, last month had the results of his 10-year bet that an S&P index fund would outperform a basket of hedge funds, and he won by a high margin. And when you see reports like this, I don't really think it does anything to boost hedge funds' argument.
Yeah, it took up a lot of his letter, actually. It was talking about that bet and how well he's doing on his bet. And at the same time, to be fair, there are some hedge funds that gained in February as well. But to your point, when you're paying a lot of fees, and some of it up front, you're paying on how much money you have there, whether you make money or you don't make money, then sort of doing okay is not quite good enough.
It's not what you want. Exactly. You're paying to outperform the broader market. And obviously, the broader market at this point is basically flat. So to see, hedge funds down over this period is not a great showing. Like you said, this is just 1 month, and we'll see how the year pans out. And maybe we will see sort of that return to sustained volatility that hedge funds are really looking for, and that could maybe swing this back in their favor.